Welcome back. A wild cat was spotted at Pantemol in Sanvordem on Tuesday midnight. While the locals claim it to be a tiger, the range forest officer says it's a black panther. But for sure, it is a wild cat. Forest department has placed a cage to capture the wild cat as residents are afraid to move out during the night hours.
City department compound सा थंयच्यान असो कोण वता म्हाका पण आजितले लक्ष दिलें ना चलता पयलो गोरूंची बी असता दिसता म्हाका मागीर पळय जाल्यार शेपडी पळयतकीर म्हाका कळ्ळें म्हाका तो वाग म्हणून आनीक थंय तो कुत्रो खूब जर बशिल्लो त्या कुत्र्याची फाटी लागिल्लो कुत्रे व्हडले व्हडले भोंकपाक लागले त्या आवाजान हांव उठल्यान परतून पळयलें परतून आयलो काय तो अशें म्हणून पळय जाल्यार थंयच आशिल्लो
हांगा वाग घुसले आसा कारण तेजी मेन थिंग कितें आसा एक चितळ एक आयल्लें गांवां पयलीं चितळा फाटोफाट तेका सोदून तेजे वासान तो सद्या गांवां भरलेले गांवां म्हणल्यार सिटीक सद्या जाल्यार लोक सगळे भुरग्यां सुद्दां भायर काडपाक परिस्थिती ना सद्या.
The range forest officer said the cat is likely a black panther. RFO has concluded it on the basis of urine and pug marks of the wild cat.
नाही म्हाका जेन्ना कळ्ळें की थंय पॅन्थर येवन गेलो म्हणून त्या बरोबर हांव इमिडिएटली थंय गेलो फक्त पळोवपा खातीर की आतां सद्याक कितें परिस्थिती आसा थंय पळयतकीर फक्त थंय हाजे पावलांचे ठशे आनी एक दोन जाग्याचेर मुतिल्लो वास ह्या हाजे वेल्यान हांवें ठरयलें की येस पॅन्थर हांगा येवन गेला.
The wildcat visits the area only during the night hours and attacks animals in the area. The locals will definitely have some more sleepless nights till the forest officials succeed in caging the big cat. Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Goa police has apprehension that fugitive terrorist Tariq Ahmed Batlu may attack Goa. Police has requested the High Court not to dispose pending appeal petition against him. Batlu was arrested in March 2006 from Margaon railway station with explosives, but later he was acquitted by the trial court. Goa police has filed a petition before the High Court challenging his acquittal. He is not traceable.
It's a lost case for Goa police. Goa police in its affidavit submitted before the High Court is apprehensive that the fugitive terrorist Tariq Ahmed Batlu may attack Goa if he is ignored. Hence, to keep vigil on him, it is necessary to keep legal proceedings before the court on. Though Goa police have admitted that they have failed to trace whereabouts of Batlu, police also informed that they can't initiate a process to attach his property as there is no property in Batlu's name. Batlu was arrested in March 2006 from Margaon railway station with RDX powder, detonator and a hand grenade. He was charged for carrying explosive substances for terror activities. But Goa police failed to prove charges before the trial court. In July 2008, trial court acquitted Batlu from all the charges and he was released. In 2009, Goa police challenged the trial court's order in the High Court, but Batlu never appeared for hearings. Accepting prosecution's plea, the High Court has adjourned the matter. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The Supreme Court on Tuesday said no government approval is needed to investigate high-ranking government officials when the Apex Court is monitoring the investigation. The ruling comes amid an ongoing investigation into alleged irregularities in the allocation of coal blocks by the government.
A three-judge bench headed by Justice R.M. Lodha held that sections in the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, which mandated government approval for Central Bureau of Investigation against high-ranking officials, will not apply to cases where the investigation has been ordered by the Apex Court. According to the Act, such approval is required for probes against officials at the Joint Secretary level or above. The ruling comes amid an ongoing investigation into alleged irregularities in the allocation of coal blocks by the government. The CBI investigation began at the behest of the Apex Court. A number of high-ranking officials have been under the CBI scanner. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.